Welcome to the Hillsborough Historian. My name is Rex, and today we focus on the class of 1976. Early in the school year, Assistant Principal Hal Griffin was lost to a senseless act of gun violence. He had served Hillsborough High as a student, a star athlete, a coach, and an administrator who always upheld the Terrier creed. The Big Red was like a house with the children gone due to a renovation. Underclassmen would attend George Washington Junior High. With its hallways so narrow in certain areas, both walls could be touched at the same time. A half century earlier, this building had actually served as Hillsborough High School. The seniors attended Thomas Jefferson High School. There was no more Thanksgiving Day football game. This seemed to have upset the football gods, and the lights went out at Gaither Field when Plant played Hillsborough. The first Hillsboroughian week of Big Red history took place. This is the English teacher Anne Cook, also known as the Gerber baby. (1976) was also the bicentennial of the United States of America. This yearbook is dedicated to the Hillsboroughian advisor, Ken Allen. These students are imitating the gargoyles of the Big Red. The renovation of the Big Red would cause many changes. Spaulding Fountain disappeared at around this time. Memorial Junior High would now serve as the South Campus of Hillsborough High School, and it would gain an industrial arts building. Principal Collins contemplated the many changes that took place. The ancient wooden chairs in the auditorium were removed and replaced. To comply with the Individual with Disabilities Education Act, ramps and an elevator were installed at Hillsborough High. The interior windows of the auditorium were filled in. The window mechanisms on the second floor were housed in wood cabinets that were left intact. These became known as the 7 coffins. The bronze terrier was covered during the renovation and survived unscathed. The library on the second floor would cease to exist as a new media center would now be housed on the first floor near the patio. It was at this time that the mystery of the missing statues began. It had been an eventful, historic year, but these terriers did successfully graduate at Curtis Hickson Hall. All right, my friends, I'm gonna make like those statues and also disappear. Till next time, please subscribe to my channel to keep up with all of my HHS videos. Take care of yourselves, and as always, go Big Red.